Lenovo has recently unveiled the ThinkVision P32pz-30, a groundbreaking addition to their monitor lineup, proudly touting it as the world's first USB 431.5-inch mini LED docking monitor. This cutting-edge product is now readily available for purchase in Europe and the UK, showcasing a combination of innovative features that cater to the demands of professionals engaged in multitasking and detailed graphical work. The ThinkVision P32pz-30's standout attribute is its expansive 31.5-inch IPS screen, adorned with minimal bezels on three sides. This appearance not only contributes to a sleek and modern aesthetic, but also provides users with a generous workspace, perfect for juggling multiple tasks seamlessly. The monitor boasts an impressive 3840 by 2160 resolution, accentuated by quantum dot technology, delivering clear and realistic imagery that is sure to enhance the user experience. In the realm of color accuracy, the ThinkVision P32pz-30 excels by covering 99% of both Adobe RGB and DCI-P3 color spaces. With an average delta E of less than 1.5, it proves to be an ideal choice for color-sensitive tasks, such as content creation. Furthermore, the monitor supports HDR 1000, elevating the HDR editing experience by providing vivid and lifelike visuals. A defining feature of this monitor is its advanced backlight technology. With an impressive 1152 mini LED backlight zones, it effectively handles the display of both light and dark areas, minimizing halo effects and enhancing the overall HDR viewing experience. This technology represents a significant step forward in delivering nuanced and true-to-life visuals. Connectivity is a strong suit for the ThinkVision P32pz-30, offering a versatile array of ports. With two HDMI 2.1, 1x DisplayPort 1.4, USB 4, and additional outputs for Ethernet and audio, among others, users have a variety of options to seamlessly connect their devices. The inclusion of USB 4 protocol in the USB Type-C hub ensures rapid data transfer speeds of up to 40 GB per second, and robust device charging capabilities of up to 140 watts. The USB Type-C hub is equipped with various ports, including Ethernet, USB Type-A, and a secondary USB Type-C port, making it a comprehensive and convenient solution for users with diverse connectivity needs. To further enhance its versatility, the monitor is equipped with DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.1 inputs for video connectivity. The ThinkVision P32pz-30, with its state-of-the-art features and cutting-edge technology, comes with a price tag that reflects its premium quality and innovative capabilities. In the Eurozone, the monitor is priced at €1,999, positioning it as a high-end option for professionals seeking top-notch performance and a sophisticated display solution. Meanwhile, in the UK, the ThinkVision P32pz-30 is available at approximately £1,219, further solidifying its status as a premium offering in the market. Despite its premium pricing, Lenovo recognizes the competitive nature of the market and is offering discounts in certain markets. This strategic move aims to make the ThinkVision P32pz-30 more accessible to a broader audience, allowing a wider range of professionals to benefit from its advanced features without compromising on quality. In conclusion, the Lenovo ThinkVision P32pz-30 stands as a testament to Lenovo's commitment to innovation and meeting the evolving needs of professionals. With its combination of a large, high-resolution display, exceptional color accuracy, and advanced connectivity options, this monitor is poised to make a significant impact on the market, catering to the demands of those engaged in creative and demanding tasks. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and good luck.